fresh blow to Mamata ahead of polls. Another TMC minister exits cabinet. Third minister to quit Mamata government. Exodus from TMC continues.
There you have it, another jolt for the Mamata government as Rajiv Banerjee, another minister from her cabinet, quits. It becomes the third minister to exit Mamata's cabinet here, and after his resignation, the disgruntled leader said that he had to take this step as he was not being allowed to serve the people. His resignation comes a day before the Prime Minister himself visits West Bengal. Here's what really happened. Here's the grouse that Rajiv Banerjee holds against Mamata.
বিজেপি সেম লজ্জাও করে না তোমরা বাংলা দখল করবে
Another blow for Mamata Banerjee ahead of Bengal polls to be held in a few months for now. Another minister, Rajiv Banerjee, has quit her cabinet, claiming that he was not being allowed to work for the people.
আমি আবার বলছি যে আমি মানুষের জন্য কাজ করতে চাই এবং আজকে হয়তো আমার অত্যন্ত আমার হৃদয় সত্যি আজকে ব্যথিত আমি সত্যি অত্যন্ত মনে প্রাণে ভীষণভাবে আমি আহত হচ্ছিলাম সেই আঘাত আমি নিতে পারছিলাম না
The Bengal Forest Minister's resignation was much on the expected lines as he had been regularly criticizing the Mamata regime.
রাজীব ব্যানার্জি এর আগে ফেসবুক লাইভে যা বলেছেন তা তো দলের বিরুদ্ধে গিয়েছে কিছু না রাজীব ব্যানার্জির মতো লোক আবার উনি একটা কনস্টিটিউয়েন্সির এমএলএ ছিলেন দ্যাটস অল
The TMC leader has not left the party yet, but the speculation is that he may join BJP like other rebels.
আমার সঙ্গে কোনো কথা হয়নি কথা তো চলছে জল্পনা চলছে জল্পনা কল্পনা বাস্তবে পরিণত হবে কখন দেখি আমরা অপেক্ষা করছি
Rajiv Banerjee's decision came a day before Prime Minister Modi's visit to Bengal for the 125th birth anniversary celebrations of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. His resignation comes on the heels of several heavyweights leaving the TMC.
Rajiv Banerjee has been disgruntled for some time, speaking out against his own party on public platform. Several steps were taken and several rounds of talks were held with the disgruntled minister. However, the ice did not melt. Therefore, the Trinamool Congress now says it does not come in as a surprise that Rajiv Banerjee has resigned from Mamata Banerjee's cabinet. Speculation, of course, is also rife on whether or not Rajiv Banerjee will now join the BJP, given that his resignation comes just a week before Home Minister Amit Shah's much talked about trip to West Bengal. With camera person Probir Biswas, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
All right, whatever said and done, as per our reports on ground, we believe that Rajiv Banerjee has gone as per expected lines. He was disgruntled. He had a grouse for not getting the irrigation ministry. Eventually was given forest ministry. He wasn't very happy. He claims that he was sidelined and taken off the irrigation ministry without even being told. And he holds that grouse against Mamata for being sidelined all along and that his concerns were not addressed. A teary-eyed Rajiv Banerjee today spoke out to the media. Here's what he had said.
আমি আবার বলছি যে আমি মানুষের জন্য কাজ করতে চাই এবং আজকে হয়তো আমার অত্যন্ত আমার হৃদয় সত্যি আজকে ব্যথিত যে আমি কোনোদিনও ভাবিনি যে আমাকে এইরকম একটা কঠিন সিদ্ধান্ত নিতে হবে কিন্তু আমি নিয়েছি যদি কোথাও কোনো কারোর কোথাও আঘাত দিয়ে থাকি যদি কাউকে কোথাও কোনোভাবে যদি কোথাও কাউকে দুঃখ দিয়ে থাকি আমি নিশ্চিতভাবে সবার কাছে হাত জোড় করে আমি মার্জনা চাইছি দয়া করে আমায় কেউ ভুল বুঝবেন না আমি সত্যি অত্যন্ত মনে প্রাণে ভীষণভাবে আমি আহত হচ্ছিলাম সেই আঘাত আমি নিতে পারছিলাম না थैंक यू
बीजेपी में ज्वाइन करेंगे
नहीं अभी तक मैंने सिर्फ मंत्रिसभा से दिया पार्टी से मैंने कुछ छोड़ा नहीं
तृणमूल में रहेंगे
There you have it. Rajiv Banerjee speaking on why he quit from the cabinet. Well, he clearly says that he has not quit from the TMC party, but he's quit from the cabinet. He wanted irrigation ministry, he didn't get it. He got forest ministry instead. And he's upset. He's almost cried before the media while speaking. With a very heavy heart, he said that he's quitting from the cabinet, but not from the party. Riju Datta, spokesperson of the TMC, joins us for more details. Before I connect with other panelists there, Riju, what a heavy heart. Rajiv Banerjee comes out and almost breaks down before the media. This indeed comes as a surprise or not a surprise. I'm not too sure. For you, we understand, our reports tell us that for the TMC, it's like one drop in the ocean. Y'all are unfazed. This doesn't really matter. Is that the approach you take with Riju, with Mr. Banerjee quitting?
Nabila, first of all, good evening. And regarding Rajiv Banerjee quitting his post as the minister, this was coming a long time. He never attended many cabinet meetings. He didn't attend, and he was not even doing the job he was supposed to do as the Minister of Forest. He was not doing it, so he resigned. It is good for us that he resigned. Otherwise, it was about time that party was about to take a stand on it.
It's good for you that he resigned.
It is good that he has resigned. He is still up.
Well, but
yes, because he was not doing the duty that he was supposed to do for the people.
Don't you think you should be worried, Riju Datta? Because this is certainly not the one minister who's resigned. This is the third minister in the cabinet who's resigned. I could count at least 8 top guys within the TMC leaders, the TMC itself, top leaders who've resigned. Don't you think that's really created a dent at all?
No. If you know, Nabila, how TMC is structured, we are structured around Mamta Banerjee. Everyone who has, the people of Bengal who has given the mandate to Mamta Banerjee for the last couple of terms have given it for her. And we all, as a spokesperson or as an MLA or as an MP, are her representatives. Now, about Rajiv Banerjee or anybody, suddenly 2 months before the election, they are expressing their displeasure. They are becoming over-ambitious. So, these things are not good practice. We don't want anybody to leave us or anybody to, go anywhere else. But the thing is, if you are a minister of a department, you are supposed to do your job for the people.
Right.
If you don't attend cabinet meetings, if you don't do your job, then the party has to take a call or you have to resign from your post.
All right, let me quickly cut this across. Toss this to Saurav Sikdar, BJP leader, joining us for more details on that. Saurav, here's a statement made by Riju Datta, spokesperson of the TMC, who says Rajiv Banerjee, who quit from the cabinet, was over-ambitious. Now, when he says over-ambitious, either he wanted a better, more meaty portfolio, or he hopes that joining the BJP, he would get a better posting there.
Well, Nabila, this TMC has become a private limited party now. It's Banerjee Private Limited, managed by Mamta and Abhishek. Mamtaji and Abhishek Banerjee. More than resignation, what expressed the nepotism in leadership of Mamta Banerjee is the way Rajiv Babu was heartbroken.
Oh my goodness, here we go. What is Vasundhara Raje? What is Piyush Goyal? What is Akash Vijayvargiya? What is Jay Shah? Are they not products of nepotism, Mr. Saurav Sikdar? No, I have to object when you say baseless things.
He has owned more than 1 lakh votes.
No, who is Jay Shah? He's a very big cricketer. Or is he a product of nepotism?
Apart from the accusation of dynasty or whatnot that the BJP spokesperson says, but what is really highlighted here is that it's not one but 3 cabinet ministers who've cited complaints with the TMC leadership, and almost all have similar issues. You have Suvendu Adhikari, who says he wasn't able to work under Mamta. You have Rajiv Banerjee, who says that he wasn't able to work towards his constituency. He didn't see development, he didn't see employment. You have similar grouse held by a couple of leaders in the recent past who say that they were not allowed to work, they were not allowed to function. Similar grouses coming in from all your leaders. Satabdi Roy as well, finally you managed to placate her, but she also, they're the same grouse that they weren't allowed to work. So what's this clamp down on your own leaders, not allowing your leaders to work? What's the reason for that? But before that, I'm going to come to this breaking news right here. We have some big news coming here after TMC expels Vaishali Dalmia for her termite remark. The MLA lashes out at the party, says instead of weeding out termites, party acting against honest leaders. speaks about Rajiv Banerjee's resignation, says won't quit MLA position, doesn't rule out scope of joining the BJP. Let's take a listen, an exclusive conversation here.
ठीक है सर, हमारे साथ है तृणमूल विधायक वैशाली डालमिया। वैशाली दी, आपको पार्टी से एक्सपेल कर दिया गया है। जनवरी महीने में आपने मुझे कहा था कि पार्टी में टर्माइट इतना है कि पार्टी में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, लेकिन आप ही को एक्सपेल कर दिया।
इसीलिए ना, जो ये पार्टी में एक चीज मैं बोलती हूँ, मेरा फेसबुक हैक करके इतना मेरा काम है, उसको बंद करवा दिया गया इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर। मेरे मोबाइल में कोई सिग्नल माने इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है फॉर लास्ट 1 मंथ। ठीक है, अभी तो ये तो होना ही है। जो पब्लिक के लिए जो पब्लिक के साथ खड़ा होगा वो तो ऐसे ही उनको होना है।
आपके मोबाइल में इंटरनेट नहीं है, आप मतलब क्यों?
पता नहीं, मेरा तो इंटरनेट ही नहीं आ रहा है।
फोन टैप हो रहा है?
हाँ, होगा क्योंकि मैं वो लोग सोचते होंगे मैं व्हाट्सएप कॉल करूंगी या किसी को मैं फेस टाइम करूंगी, वो सोच सकते हैं, बट ये कारण हो सकती है, मुझे पता नहीं है। लेकिन ये आई डोंट माइंड, क्योंकि मुझे देखिए पब्लिक के साथ काम करना है और मैं पब्लिक के साथ काम करूंगी। मुझे उसके लिए जिसके विरोध करना है मैं करूंगी, क्योंकि मेरे सामने दिख रहा है 3-4 साल से दिख रहा है जो कितना इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन से लेके सारा कुछ सिर्फ इलीगल। आम्फान के दौरान कुछ नहीं मिला, लॉकडाउन के दौरान कुछ नहीं मिला, तो मैं बोलूंगी नहीं, तो मैं पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव किस लिए बनी हूँ?
आपने कहा टर्माइट इतना है पार्टी में, लेकिन उसका कुछ हुआ?
कहाँ हुआ? टर्माइट को हटाने बोले हैं ना,
हटा दिया।
वो इसीलिए तो टर्माइट को रखना है, वो तब कुछ काम में आते होंगे, इसीलिए जो टर्माइट को हटाना चाहते हैं उनको जल्दी हटाओ। क्योंकि क्या हुआ, उनको यहाँ से हटाएंगे तो क्या हुआ, मैं तो गूंगी नहीं हो जाऊंगी, मैं और बोलूंगी, और मेरे पास सारा कुछ डिटेल्स है, आई हैव ऑल द पेपर वर्क विथ मी, और मेरे पास सारा कुछ फाइल है, 16 वाट का मेरा फाइल है, और अभी सारा कुछ है, मैं डिटेल्स में बोलूंगी।
आपको जिस दिन एक्सपेल कर दिया गया उसी दिन आपके बगल वाले जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में है, हावड़ा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, राजीव बनर्जी, उन्होंने पार्टी अपने पद से रिजाइन कर दिया है, लेकिन वो कह रहे हैं पार्टी में है, उन पर भी बहुत बड़ा सवाल है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, वो तो उन्होंने सिर्फ राजीव बनर्जी जी नहीं, मेरा एक तरफ है राजीव बनर्जी, एक लक्ष्मी रतन शुक्ला जी, उन्होंने भी छोड़ दिया। हाँ, तो सभी, देखिए मैं तो एमएलए हूँ, हाँ, तो मैं तो एमएलए हूँ, मैं एमएलए ही रहूंगी। हाँ, तो पार्टी से माने उनको नहीं लगता है कि ये लॉयल, ये लाइक जो चोर नहीं है, या पब्लिक के साथ जो रहते हैं, या पब्लिक के लिए ही जो पार्टी ज्वाइन किए हैं, क्लीन इमेज वाले नहीं चाहिए।
पार्टी को नहीं चाहिए क्लीन इमेज वाले,
नहीं चाहिए, तो उनको वही दिमाग ही चाहिए ना।
ये बताइए, अटकलें ये लगाई जा रही है कि वैशाली डालमिया, राजीव बनर्जी सब बीजेपी से जुड़ेंगे।
देखिए, हम लोग तो पब्लिक के लिए काम करने आए हैं, पब्लिक के लिए काम ही करेंगे। हाँ, तो जहाँ पे मुझे दिखेगा, क्योंकि देखिए मैंने क्यों टीएमसी ज्वाइन किया था, मैंने किसी का जिला नेतृत्व को देख के टीएमसी नहीं ज्वाइन किया था, मैंने ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर का वो काम देख के मैंने ज्वाइन किया था। अगर यहाँ पे आके काम कर ही नहीं सकते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगी।
दूसरे पार्टी का दरवाजा खुला है जहाँ काम कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, मैंने तो सोचा नहीं, मैं तो पार्टी के लिए ही काम कर रही थी, पार्टी के भले के लिए इतना दिन बोल रही थी। हाँ, तो मुझे तो लगता है कि पब्लिक के जो सेवा करना है हर पार्टी का उद्देश्य होना चाहिए। पार्टी का किस में अच्छा हो, सॉरी, पब्लिक का किस में अच्छा हो और पब्लिक किस में खुश रहे, ये हर पार्टी का देखना चाहिए।
राजीव दा आज बहुत
All right, there you have it. Yet another leader, Vaishali Dalmia, MLA of the TMC, who's been expelled because she raised her voice against the TMC leadership. Let me go back to our guest, Riju Datta. Your take on that. I just mentioned a bunch of your leaders who've been saying that they're not allowed to work within the party. They feel frustrated. And here is Vaishali again. You may have expelled her, but nonetheless, she echoes the same sentiments, the same words like everyone else. No development, not allowed to work. What is this autocratic rule?
Nabila, please understand the chronology, what is happening. 2 months just before the elections, nobody is allowed to shit. Vaishali Dalmia just said, I know of all the illegal constructions and everything. She is the MLA of that area. What was she doing with those records? Why didn't she take action? Number one. Number two, 2 months before the elections, nobody is allowed to work. Everybody is displeased. Everybody has high hopes. And just when they express their displeasure, 15 days later, they go and hold the BJP flag. Who is Vaishali Dalmia? Vaishali Dalmia is the daughter of the late Jagmohan Dalmia. Out of respect for late Jagmohan Dalmia ji, Mamta ji said, okay, I will make you an MLA. Now she has got
so one can't make her an MLA, right? She was an elected representative. It's not like she was honored with an MLA certificate. She's been elected in her constituency.
I am telling you, Nabila, on national television, they have not. People vote for Mamta Banerjee, so whoever is the representative, X, Y, Z, even Nabila, if you
but that's precisely what the problem that your own leaders are seeing, that Mamta is the whole and soul to where it becomes autocratic, right?
Whoever is not in their syndicate, they will leave the party like this.
It is not autocratic. These people have been coached by BJP and they think that they will, they are over-ambitious and their greed will be satisfied in BJP. That's as simple as that.
Riju Datta, I don't see that the BJP is using much effort to really convince your TMC leaders. They're really wasting a lot of time. They're not wasting enough time to actually convince them. It's so easy for them to be joining the BJP in hordes.
Nabila, they are doing all the efforts, they are making all the promises, and these fellows, they think their greed will be satisfied by BJP, which is their greed is not satisfied in TMC, because TMC has clamped down on these asymptomatic people.
They will be in their party. Any good person.
Arey Saurabh ji, you are a BJP person. I respect you. Now you have to salute the Choru Chakkas who have been probed by state machinery and your frontline leaders. So don't get. It is very rich coming. All this gyan coming from you, Lord. When all the people.
Okay, I will ask Riju a quick word to you. Are you bothered with the defections? Are you bothered with a bunch of your leaders exiting? Are you bothered? Are you bothered at all with Rajiv Banerjee, Suvendu Adhikari and a bunch of your leaders quitting?
We are probably least bothered.
You don't feel this is a domino effect? You don't feel there are many more who are going to be exiting the TMC?
Dominoes effect. Nabila, let me tell you and everybody watching this, these people were whoever they were because of Mamta Banerjee. So they come, they go, it does not make sense, because in Bengal people vote for the name Mamta Banerjee for her good governance and her development. Who is Suvendu Adhikari? Who is Vaishali Dalmia? They're immaterial.
Let me quickly take in Subhojit, our senior journalist joining us. Mr. Subhojit, if you can give us an insight on the facts on ground, can you tell me if defections and those exits from the TMC really would affect the TMC's prospects here? Has it given the BJP an edge this time as we approach assembly elections in West Bengal?
See, it is difficult to say it in yes or no, but if we look at the Indian parties, South Asian parties, even the Asian political parties, we would find that when a party becomes big, this is a process of purging. This is a process of purification which takes place in every party. Congress split in 1969. You look at today's BJP, the old leadership has gone, the new leadership has taken over, and they are doing very well. CPI split to CPM, CPM split into CPI-ML. So, this process is called purging. Even Chinese Communist Party had a purging in 1966. When you do that, you lose weight, you become more mobile, more slimmer and more trimmer, and you move faster. Bigger political parties will always shed weight, as in the sense that they will expel some people will automatically go out.
No, we understand the process of it, but what do you see of the prospects here?
That is one part of the story. The other part of the story is, in Trinamool, it is happening more frequently. If we look at what Partha Chatterjee has said, Trinamool's leader, that, and this is the fourth or fifth time I'm hearing him saying this in last couple of months, which is, 1 or 2 buckets of water can always go out of the ocean and it doesn't make much of a difference.
Yeah.
Question is, how many buckets can go out? And Trinamool has to kind of, plug in this gap before it stops. It is a worrying thing for Trinamool at this point.
But why do you think are we looking at a series of defections? So much so that so far they seem unfazed, but there will be a point where they'll have to worry.
See, it is very simple. In any district, in any area, Trinamool party is dependent, as their spokesperson has been saying, dependent on one person. So
all right.
When it happens,
I think it has a lot more to do than just anti-incumbency, from what I gather from you. But a quick word from Saurav Sikdar. Saurav, all those members coming in from the TMC into the BJP, they're hoping to get something meaty. Any assurances coming from your party?
See, West Bengal people are crying for a good governance. So the ruling TMC's leader who have been transparent image are living in frustration. The writing is in the wall, lotus has to bloom in West Bengal. Today, development of TMC in West Bengal is a loud message.
Saurav, after 3 months you decide whether you will be in BJP or not. Otherwise, I will ask you to join TMC to see what good governance looks like.
All right, all right. We got the point. Thank you very much. Our guest joining us. Another wicket down, if we could say it. Rajiv Banerjee, Mamta's cabinet minister, has resigned. This comes while two others have already resigned from her cabinet. He's the third one. Several other top leaders of the TMC have now quit. We're looking at a series of defections. Will this really make Mamta Banerjee, will it deter her confidence ahead of the assembly polls? That remains to be seen. For now, she seems unfazed. Thank you very much for watching. News and updates to continue.